Aloha, Yellow 6 students. This is Mrs. Kama coming back again. Today we're going to continue with our thinking map, and we are going to focus on the multi-flow map and the frame of reference. Always refer to your social studies composition book where you had cut and glued in the different type of thinking maps. So you'll see in there about the multi-flow map in here. Okay, so let's just go over what is a multi-flow map. Now, the multi-flow map thinking process is focusing on cause and effect. 21st century learners use multi-flow maps to analyze cause and effect, to analyze impacts and or benefits, to analyze reasons and or results, and to analyze if-then patterns. Okay, now some questions, examples that are associated with multi-flow maps are: what is the impact of the author's point of view on? Or why would you choose to do this? Or what are some of the causes? Or what are the possible outcomes? Now, when you work on your frame of reference questions, here are two questions that are tied into multi-flow map. First one is, what is influencing your understanding of the causes? The second frame of reference question is what we're going to focus when you do your multi-flow map. And that is, what conclusions can you draw from the different effects? Okay, so let's take a look now at what does a multi-flow map look like for a thinking map. Here is a picture of a multi-flow map. Okay, you notice you have 3 squares on the left, you have 3 squares on the right, and you have this middle square. So let's take a look at the directions. Okay, it says you will click on the purple boxes, type in your answers. In the center box, type in a goal you have for yourself for the end of 6th grade year. Okay, so think of a goal you would like to have for yourself for the end of this 6th grade year. Now, in the 3 boxes to the left of the center box, type out 3 things, 1 in each box, that you will have to do during the year to help you achieve that goal. So for each thing that you think of, okay, it's 1 per box. Don't put all 3 things in one box, another 3 things in another box. No, it is 1 in each box, which is a total of 3 things that you want to do during the course of this year for you to achieve that goal. Okay, then number 2, it says in the 3 boxes to the right of the center box, type out 3 things, 1 in each box, that will happen as a result of you achieving that goal. Okay, so in this box is 1 cause. On the right hand side, that box would be the effect. So if I did this, then this is my results, the effect. If I did this, then this is my results of the effect. If I did this, then that is the results of my effect. So let's take a look as an example of this multi-flow map. Okay, say that your goal is you want to make 7 new friends that you did not know at all in elementary school. Okay, that's a goal. Make 7 new friends that I did not know at all in elementary school. So what do I need to do? And why do I want this goal? Okay, so cause. Well, to be more friendly and sincere. Maybe that'll help me to make new friends. Or look for people with some similar interests. Okay, because I want to find friends that we have some similarities with, because if I don't have anything in common with them, then it'll be hard to strike up a conversation. So I'll look for people that have some similar interests. And don't discount people I think are weird initially, because they might be gems. They might be really, really good friends. Okay, so these are 3 things that I will do in order to try to make new friends. Now, if I do these 3 things, then this might be the effect. If I am more friendly and sincere, then I will have more people I can look to for support. I can feel better about myself and caring for others. And I can look forward to making more happy memories with new friends. So if I did these 3 things, trying to make new friends, then I would have these 3 effects, these results of doing this. Okay? So what you're going to do is make a goal for yourself. Okay? Come up with a goal that you want to accomplish by the end of the 6th grade year. Write down 3 things what you would need to do to accomplish that goal. And write down on the right-hand side the 3 effects. What do you think will be the outcome should you do this to achieve your goals? Okay? Now, with that said, when you take a look at your frame of reference, what conclusions can you draw from the different effects? So, if I looked at what I had written down about making new friends, okay, I might say by making new friends at Mililani Middle School, I will feel supported knowing that I can turn to them when I need advice or help. Just knowing that they care for me as an individual makes me want to show my compassion for others. I look forward to creating happy memories with my new friends that I can cherish. Okay? So this might be an example of what you might want to draw in your conclusion. Try to focus your conclusion based on what you write down in your multi-flow map. Okay? So again, make sure you have your goal in the center. What 3 things would I need to do to achieve that goal? And what 3 things will occur should I do that to get that goal? Okay? So if I do this, this is what could be the outcome. All right. So go ahead and give it a try. Think of something that you want to have as a goal for this school year and that you want to achieve by the end of this year. And I know, there's so much things that you can think of that you want to achieve, but just choose one. Okay, prioritize and choose the best one. Okay, and with that said, go ahead and get started and enjoy and stay safe. See you next time. Aloha.